Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talking about the keratoconus and keratoplasty. So the keratoconus is the non-inflammatory bilateral ectatic condition of cornea which is progresses slowly. This is the diagrammatic depiction of configuration of the cone-shaped cornea. Pathogenesis, hereditary dystrophy. The clinical features include the symptoms progressive myopia and irregular astigmatism. The signs include the Placido disc examination shows the irregularity of the circles as shown in this picture. Slit lamp examination shows the deep stromal striae, vogue lines. On retinoscopy, a yawning reflex seen, which is known as the Caesar reflex. On distant direct ophthalmoscopy, an annular dark shadow seen, which is known as oil droplet reflex. Next is the Munson sign as shown in this picture, which is the localized bulging of the lower lid. When the patient look downward, it is positive in the late stages. The corneal topography, which forms the frustae. Now the associations, it is may be associated with the trauma, keratoconjunctivitis, which is vernal, Down syndrome. Now the treatment, contact lenses rigid gas permeable, corneal collagen cross linking with the riboflavin CXL or C3R and UV rays which slows the progression of disease, keratoplasty. Now the keratoplasty in detail, the corneal grafting or the corneal transplantation may be of two types. Penetrating keratoplasty PK, full thickness grafting where the all 6 layers are removed. The lamellar keratoplasty, which is the partial thickness grafting, may be of two types. Deep anterior lamellar keratoplasty DALK, where the endothelium and the basement membrane are normal. Anterior 3 layers are removed. Example in the keratoconus, the Descemet's stripping endothelial keratoplasty. Only endothelium is defective, only posterior 2 layers are removed. Example after the surgical trauma during the phacoemulsification. Now the methods of the corneal preservation. First is the short-term storage up to the 48 hour at 4 degrees C in a moist chamber. Second is intermediate storage up to the 2 weeks in Macquarie-Kaufman's MK. Next is the long-term storage up to the 35 days by the cryopreservation at minus 70 degrees C. Now the surgical technique of the penetrating keratoplasty. First step is the excision of the donor corneal button as shown in this picture, cut 0.25 mm larger than the recipient. The second step is the excision of the recipient corneal button as shown in this picture with the help of the corneal driffin 7.5 mm to 8 mm size. Third step is the suturing of the corneal graft into the host bed using the 10 to 0 nylon sutures as shown in this picture. This is the picture showing the pattern of the continuous sutures in the keratoplasty, and this is the clinical photograph of a patient with the interrupted suture in the keratoplasty. Graft rejection, epithelial rejection most common, present as the Foda dose line, demarcating the healthy and damaged epithelium. Thank you.